This is the elevator at the 4 Points by Sheraton in Asheville, North Carolina. Look at this. Look at that armor. Let's see, do you push it in? I'll let my mom take her picture. Let's see. Inchline though, unfortunately. It looks like EPCO Inchline call buttons. Sounds like a submersible pump. I've never seen that lantern before. Very funky looking. Looks like Inchline was slapped on.
Just take a picture and I'll get off.
Very interesting. Okay. Very low ceiling. Oh yeah, you can look up all the way up the shaft. Starwood preferred guest. There's a view of your COP. Unfortunately, this got a slap-on mod. A non-ADA compliant phone. Let me see what happens if I ring it. Listen. You can hear the relays clicking. Unfortunately, that lantern does not work. This is a Southeastern Asheville elevator. $1970. I think they redid the cap as well. And I will go exit on ground. Never seen a EPCO COP like that though. Very interesting looking, but generic nonetheless. Let me send it up a couple floors. Wow, I think the pump was replaced, but anyways, that's it.